The Gilgit-Baltistan region in the extreme north of Pakistan faces severe cold in winter and temperature drops down to minus 30 degrees Celsius. Conversely, summer is very pleasant, offering delicious fruits in plenty, including cherry, apricot, mulberry, pear, apple, peach, plum, and pomegranate. Dry fruit includes almond, walnut, apricot, and chalgoza. Although the whole Gilgit-Baltistan is rich in production, among all these fruits, apricot stands out for its variety and plenitude. Some of the more known varieties are Habirju, Alishagakas, Almanju, Burumju, Suryasumju, Dudur, etc. Turkey tops the world market, fulfilling 82% of the international demand. Turkish experts think Hunza apricot is unique due to its taste and texture, and its demand ought to be much higher in the international market, but owing to some obstacles, it doesn't reach the world market. Negligence tops the list of the problems. Lack of latest skills and technology among the local populace is another problem. Absence of modern methods of picking and packing of the fruit results in 50% waste. Damaged roads hinder the reach of the apricot in fresh condition. Due to all this, the farmers do not get appropriate reward for their labor. Thus, dependence on fruits production is decreasing. Apart from this, due to farmers' negligence, there is no appropriate control for tree diseases, due to which the production has been decreased. It has a negative effect on the country's economy. Dry season is appropriate for the fruit's better production and control of diseases, but it needs proper watering to maintain itself throughout the year. But as the delicious fruit of Gilgit-Baltistan doesn't get proper market response, farmers are compelled to dry the fruit for sale. The process of drying takes place on stones in the traditional way. Rain wastes a great chunk of the production before reaching the market. Nevertheless, the situation is changing now due to the intervention of Aga Khan Rural Support Program. It has started a program of training by the Canadian International Development Agency (CIDA) through Star Farms Pakistan to farmers, equipping the farmers with latest skills and technology and pruning, control of diseases and reducing post-harvest losses, and thus enabling them to reach higher market and proper prices. This will enable the customer get quality fruits for reasonable prices. The introduction of attractive packing and traceability system will ensure the freshness and natural originality of fruits. The members of Hunza group of farmers and dozen others as groups of farmers have completed the above training. The team will work on supplying apricot and other fruits of Gilgit-Baltistan according to international market demand and maintain the required standards. Now it depends on the government to take the initiative to take these farmers to access the market. By doing so, millions of dollars can be earned.
बीमारी में और तदारुक हवाला बेहतरीन वर्कशॉप में
depends on the government to take the initiative to tag these farmers to access the market. By doing so, millions of dollars can be earned.